Muraho. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am Denise, your Kinyarwanda teacher. Do you want to learn Kinyarwanda? You are on the right place. This is the channel for learning Kinyarwanda, for practicing Kinyarwanda, for just enjoying our language and our culture. Today I'm going to give you an explanation about the numbers, as we started already to learn the numbers. So today we're going to practice more numbers. First we go and read the title. Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda. And then, as we did before, we learned the numbers, but today we're going to practice more. I want to see how we remember. Rimwe, kabiri, gatatu, kane, gatanu, gatandatu, karindwi, umunani, icyenda, icumi. If you have watched my first video about numbers, I explained the counting from 1 to 100. So please repeat after me. We're going to do more practice. So let's say we're going to say 11. So we take 10, which is ichumi, and we add 1, which is rimwe. So that makes chumi na rimwe, which is here chumi na rimwe. You put the na because it means and. So 10 and 1. And you drop the I that usually you write with ichumi, I. So now it's a chumi na rimwe. Chumi na rimwe. 12. Can you try? I hope we got it. Chumi na kabiri. Chumi na kabiri. Because it's 10 and 2. Chumi na gatatu. Chumi na kane. Chumi na gatanu. Chumi na gatandatu. Chumi na karindwi. Chumi n'umunani. Chumi n'icyenda. Makumyabiri. Let's go from 20 to 30. All the numbers, you will do the same structure. So it's 20 plus 1. 20 and 1. Makumyabiri. Since you know how to say makumyabiri, you know how to say 20. So you're going to say 20 and 1. Makumyabiri na rimwe. So it's like 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3, and so on. So makumyabiri na kabiri, makumyabiri na gatatu, makumyabiri na kane. Can you go on? Makumyabiri na gatanu. What's next? Try. I hope you got it. Makumyabiri na gatandatu. Makumyabiri na karindwi. Makumyabiri n'umunani. Makumyabiri n'icyenda. And we have mirongo itatu, which is 30. Mirongo itatu na rimwe, if you want to do 30 and 1 or 31. Mirongo itatu na rimwe. So in Kinyarwanda there will be and that you put in between numbers, but in English you don't. So we say 31, but in Kinyarwanda it's 30 and 1. Mirongo itatu na kabiri, mirongo itatu na gatatu, mirongo itatu na kane, mirongo itatu na gatanu, mirongo itatu na gatandatu, mirongo itatu na karindwi, mirongo itatu n'umunani, mirongo itatu n'icyenda, mirongo itatu, mirongo ine. When you finish mirongo itatu n'icyenda, you go to 40. Mirongo ine. Mirongo ine na rimwe. So all these numbers you have from 20 to 90. So you're going to say 3 words. It's mirongo itatu. It's 4 words actually. Mirongo itatu na rimwe. Mirongo ine na rimwe. So here you remember we do the connection here. We say mirongo itatu, mirongo ine, mirongo itanu, mirongo itandatu, mirongo irindwi, mirongo inani, mirongo icyenda, and ijana. Then what if we have 110? 110. You take 100, which is ijana, and you add 10, which is ichumi. And then here you are going to remove the I. So you say ijana na chumi. Ijana na makumyabiri. 120. Ijana na mirongo itatu. Ijana na mirongo ine, and so on. So all the numbers will follow the same structure. You will take the number and put the na, which means end. So when you go higher in numbers. So next time we are going to practice numbers from 100 to 1,000. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel and learning with me this beautiful language of 1,000 hills, Rwanda. Murakoze, umunsi mwiza. Have a good day. Thank you.